Hi, this is Steph with Belladonna Dyes, and today we're going to make an outlined spiral. Here is the microwave cover again. I wanted to give it one more try. So on the last spiral that had the hole ripped in the center, I think that shirt was just way too big and it was sticking to the table. And so it was just too much pressure on the shirt and the hemostat. So I learned a lesson. But I'm doing this technique on the small shirt and it's working out really good. And I found the video where I saw it. Their YouTube channel is tiedye on it. And I'll put a link for their channel in the description box down below. I just ran out of the scarlet red and I have some Chinese red that needs to be used up. So I decided I'll just go ahead and finish off this project using the Chinese red. The swatch on the table says Bluebird, but this is actually cerulean blue. At the time I recorded this tutorial, I didn't have cerulean blue swatched out yet, so I just put that there for a visual aid. I let the shirt rest for about 10 minutes and then I came back, flipped it over, and we're going to add the same dye pattern to the back side. Once you have your shirt all dyed up the way you want it, take the whole thing, set it down inside of a plastic bin, put the lid on it, and let it batch for 24 hours. It's been 24 hours and now it's time for the rinse out. So you want to start by using cold water, and that's going to rinse out any soda ash that might still be reacting within the fabric, and gradually increase the water up to hot and rinse until the water runs clear. From here I take it to the washing machine and I do a hot water cycle. I do a second hot water cycle using Synthropol. I do a third hot water cycle using Millsoft. Then I put it in the dryer and we come back and we see our results. Well, here it is, guys. Here's our shirt after it's been washed and dried, and I really like it a lot. That microwave lid made a really nice spiral, and it was super quick and really easy to do. I made this shirt for my very dear friend whose son loves Super Mario Brothers, so I made him a Mario spiral. What do you guys think of this shirt? Go ahead and leave me some comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, leave a thumbs up, and click the bell for future notifications. And remember, have fun tie-dyeing.